Hi, I'm Alec, this is first tutorial and song in my place. In this video you'll find 3 versions of playing this song on guitar. Strumming. And verse, chords. A with G sharp, C sharp minor, and E. And second time A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and E. So. And if you can't play chord A with just one finger, you can play here, and second chord, this chord. So. And chords, D, A, and E. You can't play this chord, but I like this chord. So. Yeah, how long must you pay for him? And in the chorus, fourth time, just D and E, and again. So, version with capo on the second fret. So G, D with F sharp, B minor, and D, G, E minor, B minor, and D. So. And chorus. C, G, and D. And fourth time, and again. And third version, C with B, E minor, G, C, A, E, and G. In my place, the line I couldn't change, I was lost, oh yeah. So C, E, G, C, A, E, and chorus. You pay for him, yeah. and again. And it's all. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.